I don't wanna go home no more. There's a blizzard in New York, and I don't wanna go home. If my friends could see me now, I know they would wear a frown. It's just this apathy inside is slowly killing me. Nietzsche says that there's no cause and effect on whatever we may do. But what the hell am I thinking now? If there's no reason to think it now. See me, see you. What the hell am I gonna do? See me, see you. I don't know what I'm going to do. 'Cause if we wish upon